In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Xero Advisor certification. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to enroll with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to central.xero.com. This is Xero Central, the hub for help articles, training, and certifications. If you're prompted to sign in, use your regular Xero login so your progress is saved to your account and your certificate is issued correctly. At the top of the page, select Learning. This takes you to Xero's training area where you can browse courses, webinars, and learning paths. Look for the Xero certifications option. This is where Xero keeps its official credentials, including the advisor certification. On the certifications page, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Certifications. You'll see different tiles for the various tracks. If you don't immediately see the one you're after, click Show More to expand the full list. The layout can vary slightly by region, so expanding the list ensures you don't miss it. Find the certification you need and open it. For this walkthrough, choose the Xero Advisor certification. Inside, you'll see an overview of what the certification covers and how the training is delivered. When you're ready, choose Get Started. This takes you into the learning path or webinar sign-up flow so you can begin formally. Next, select an upcoming session if your certification is delivered live or as a scheduled webinar. Check the date, time, and your time zone and pick a session that suits your schedule. If there are filters, use them to narrow by region or language. It's a good idea to add the session to your calendar right away. When you've chosen the right session, click Enroll. Confirm any prompts to finalize your registration. You should receive a confirmation email with the joining link and details about the session. If it doesn't arrive, check your spam folder or return to the learning dashboard to review your enrollments. A few quick tips to set you up for success. Make sure the name on your Xero profile is correct so it appears properly on your certificate. Review any prerequisites or recommended experience in the overview, and set aside uninterrupted time to complete the content and any assessments. If it's a live webinar, test your audio and connection ahead of time, and if something comes up, look for options to reschedule to a later session. That's the full process. Go to Xero Central, open Learning, choose Xero Certifications, scroll to Certifications, click Show More if needed, select the Advisor certification, hit Get Started, pick an upcoming session, and enroll. You're now on your way to earning your Xero Advisor certification.